All right, this is Thomas together with Alejandro. It's the time of the week where we are hosting this website one, the dev team meeting. Yeah, so welcome, Alejandro. How are you doing?
Very well. I'm checking the issue with YouTube. I'm moving the links to event instances, and well, okay, many things to do with it. I'm doing that at the moment.
Okay.
I have stopped the other task I have that related with Hangout AI. That I think it needs some improvement on the test, and I don't know what do you expect of the Hangout app, but
okay. Yeah, so
it needs some work to do with it.
Okay, but so you see, I'm not familiar with the Hangout application myself at all. It was Yarrow that created that. So perhaps we could reach out to Yarrow and talk to him a little bit. But the feature that is kind of important to me personally, apart from that, is this one. You know, this on the project page, those video tabs here.
Yeah,
they need to be populated, and that's what I spoke to you about earlier this week. And
yes.
I was thinking that perhaps we could just have a look at some methods we could use. Remote production to see how we can pull that out, and it's pretty easy, I think. To instead of hitting the API, you know, we can get those instances pulled out in a much easier way, basically. Without digging into the code itself, you know, we could. So if we have a look at event instance, event oh, sorry, I'm blind today. And there you go. First, so we get you know, each event instance is
yes, I am working on this.
Yeah. So it's connected to a project, I guess. Yeah. So
yes, it is. Project ID is part of event instance.
So if we do project, yeah, exactly. So you can call a project method on an event instance object and get the so we could pull you know, if we do project where ID is 2, right? Because that's the website first project equal. So we could use that event instance where. So if you do that where
project ID
ID is project.id, and then count, for instance. So there's 96 videos for that project, you know.
Yes.
So this is a much faster way to access those recordings, basically, you know. And we have the Hangout URL, which is not important, but you have the YouTube video ID here, you know, as we used in other cases. So that could be used to pull out those videos and populate that tab, I think.
Yes, I am working on that.
That's great.
I think it be on next week, first days.
Cool. That would be great, because that's really important for us that
yes,
this is populated, you know. So that's wonderful. That's great news. And if you want to pair program on that, you know, just let me know whenever you know, feel like programming on that, so we can do something together, perhaps.
Yes. Perhaps you on the weekend don't work, no? Or yes?
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I try to stay away from the computer, but usually on mornings, you know, I go up 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning anyway, Saturday and Sunday. So until like 9 or 10 o'clock, I can work for like 2 hours or something.
Too early for me.
Oh, okay, I got it. And then sometimes during the evenings as well. You know, you can try to but it depends a little bit if we're doing something else for the family.
Yes. Okay. Perhaps the Monday. The Monday I can't. We'll see if we can join to work. And cool. See how it's going, all these tasks.
Right.
Okay. On the another project on Hangout app. I want to move the test for from Jasmine Sham to Grunt.
Okay, all right.
I've been trying on my machine, and I think it could be working.
Okay.
Sharo, yes. This guy do all the work.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Would you like to take part in that? So yeah, I'm just gonna ask him, you know, if he can consider helping out in any way.
Okay.
If you do, so I'm just gonna tell him to contact you. You know, if you do, please contact Alejandro. There you go. Something like that, you know, so he knows that, that you were working on that.
Perfect.
So, cool. That's
perfect.
Yeah, I mean, feel free to have you haven't made any pull requests to that Hangout connection app yet, or have you?
Yes, but I also see that the last updates on that project was done on the app. this Hangout connection has a build method that generates an XML file.
Okay.
And this file must be generated from the coffee script and someone and the template that is part of the project. I saw that the last paragraph was directly on the XML file. No following all the steps of its generate.
Okay. But is that what this pull request fixes? Is what I'm looking at right now?
This fixes some test that was not working.
Okay.
But not yet the XML.
I understand. Okay. So
the XML is the application.
Okay. But do you feel, Alejandro, that you have the energy and the time to work on both of these things? You know, those YouTube videos in website 1 and also this Hangout connection app.
Yes, I can.
Okay. But do you want me to merge this in? Is this okay to merge in? You have tested this, so it won't break the Google Hangout connection or anything.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Do you want me to merge this? Do you want me to accept this pull request?
Yes.
Okay.
You can.
Okay, so let's just do that. And it will be automatic. Do we have some continuous integration on this repository? Will it be automatically deployed to Google? Do you know how that works?
I guess it is defined over the raw file, the raw XML file. That's the way I do when I test.
Okay.
But,
okay.
I don't know who do the.
I think it's Yarrow. Actually.
Yarrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have to reach out to him and get a hold of him, basically. But that's great. That's on my to-do list then. You know,
okay.
I'll fix that. But also, you know, hopefully he reaches out to you to see, you know, to talk to you about this. I don't know. I haven't spoken to Yarrow in a few months at least, you know. So I try to get hold of him.
Okay.
Cool.
Raul is here.
Oh, hi, Raul. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Great.
I'm just in to see what you guys are busy with.
Yeah. So we're just basically going over some tasks that Alejandro is working with, and I assume that you have your hands full with the Take Me Away project.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
As I told you this morning, I'll probably jump back into website 1 sometimes in 2 weeks or so. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Then we can.
I'm also busy with some school projects that I have to submit. So yeah.
So we don't have to assign any tasks to you today or anything. It's just.
I already have some tasks that I need to finish off.
Okay. All right. Well, it's the same thing with me. You know, there's a lot of stuff going on at work, and then with some other projects. So, Alejandro, you are the main developer on this project right now.
At this moment.
At this moment, yes.
Yes.
So it's good to have you around. You know that somebody is on top of things. Otherwise,
but at least they are new Age of Venture member. Maybe they can jump in soon. And
yeah. I'm gonna reach out to some new members next week. You know, try to pull them into this project.
Yeah, get their feet wet a little bit with something.
Exactly.
Okay.
So yeah, but okay, guys, it's so you know what to do, Alejandro, and I'll be around this weekend. If you know if you do some programming, just ping me on Slack and see if I'm available.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And let's hopefully we can get this things populated and rewrite some tests, and perhaps if we don't, you know, there's this YouTube connection service or YouTube service in the website one code base that if we don't need it, we can delete it, you know.
Yes.
Because it's always a good practice to delete stuff.
Yes. I remove. I was just removing it.
Wonderful. All right, guys, let's cut this short. I have a family thing going on. Unless there's any other business, we can end this, I guess.
Nothing from me.
Okay. Okay. Right. Until tomorrow or whenever.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I'm always around. So go ahead and just reach out to me. Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Wonderful. Live long and prosper, guys.
Ciao.
Take it easy. All right. Bye.
Bye.